Hello friends, I got this 180 milliliter Flame Design air humidifier at the TikTok shop. You can add essential oils to the water to help relax and soothe you after a hectic day. It does change colors. It's very pretty. This is what it looks like in the light. This is what it looks like in total darkness. It's very nice just to lay here in bed and watch the lights and relax. You can just turn off the humidifier part and use it as a nightlight if you prefer. The lights continue to change even with the humidifier part off. It's very soothing right now to breathe in the lavender scented water that I have inside my air humidifier with the Flame Design. If you're interested in purchasing this air humidifier, just click the link below. Happy shopping, y'all.